three different videos. Look at all this Oh, I'm not.
Walmart theft suspect fled police through alleys, hid near homes, then got tossed and arrested over warrants and petty theft.
Are you able to sign?
Yeah.
You can sign your name? All right, so tell me what happened. So the front is your information, which we don't have to worry about filling out because I got your ID. So on the back, I'll write exactly what you tell me happened. So you want to start from the beginning? Tell me what happened? Like how the car caught on fire? Did you, like, walk me through the process? Because we have to do a report. I need it for the report.
What report? What do you mean you need it for the report?
So we have to do a report because your car caught on fire?
Okay, the fire department, she told me you were going to make them.
Yeah, we do one too.
Okay.
Okay. So I need your statement for our report.
I'm not going to give no statement.
Okay.
If you want, I'll get my attorney to call you.
Okay. Go ahead and turn around, put your hands behind your back.
All right.
Put your hands behind your back. There you go. All right, so you're being placed under arrest for obstruction.
Obstruction of what?
Yes, sir. And also...
Obstruction of what?
Quit turning around on me. And also reckless driving. I have video of you doing burnouts in the parking lot. Obstruction is for lying to law enforcement.
And they lied to you.
Step over here. You told me that you pulled in and the transmission blew.
I did. Look at it right there. It's blue.
Yeah, but you said you pulled in. You didn't tell me that you were doing burnouts and donuts in out here. You neglected to tell me that.
I didn't tell you anything.
You did.
No.
That's fine. We can argue. You're still going to jail.
Come on, man. Don't do this to me.
No, you did it to yourself.
Give me a break.
No, a break. You lied to me. I don't
lie to you.
I don't deal in liars.
Sir,
you lied to me. You're going to jail. All right, step back here to the back of my car. 37, like, so you can show that 27. I just ran 1015.
All right, man. All right, press.
Have a seat. Hey, so what happened? How did the car catch on fire?
I don't know. You already taken him to the jail?
You were in the car too.
I'm on the car, yes.
So how did it happen? What happened with that?
Well, we're running here and the transmission exploded, I think.
So you just pulled in and then it just blew up? Were you doing donuts and burnouts? Because I have video of it. So do you want to continue lying?
Yeah, but I'm the one driving the car.
But you were in the car, and you're telling me a different story than what happened. So at this point, it's obstruction, and I could put you in jail for it. Okay? So tell me what happened. So what occurred? You don't want to talk to me?
I don't speak. Just a little bit.
I can call a Spanish-speaking officer if you'd like. Because that's not going to be an excuse. You were speaking clear English to the point that I could understand you. But if you'd like, I can call a Spanish-speaking officer.
Okay, you want to take me to the jail too?
I could. I don't want to. I just want to know what happened. I just want to know what happened.
You already told me it's that we're doing donut there, no?
I just want to know what happened.
I don't think we do any donut, so we get in and the transmission explodes.
Okay, so was the car
is like this?
Was the car parked?
No, we get in here and transmission explodes. The car starts doing like that.
So the transmission explodes when you pull in?
Yes, you see the piece? Yeah. Look at the piece.
Okay. I'm trying to figure it out because it doesn't make sense.
What we're doing is, we turn here left, getting on the parking, and the car, the transmission, which feel a noise, boom, and then the car's going crazy.
Okay. So the car started spinning after the transmission blew?
Yeah.
Okay. You have your identification with you?
Yes, sir.
Were you in the car?
No. It's only to see.
I gotcha. Stuff?
Yeah.
Your wallet?
My wife is there.
Your wife is over there? What's your wife's name?
Raina.
And you want her to take your wallet, the keys, and your cell phone?
Yeah.
Okay, do you have any money in your wallet? Do you have any cash? Okay.
You want the wallet over here?
Are you the wife?
Yes.
Okay. So here's his cell phone. This the keys for the car, and then his wallet. He said there was no money in it. Okay. And then I'm going to keep his ID for the report. It'll be turned into his property at the Conde County Jail.
Okay.
Okay.
Pero ¿por qué se lo están llevando?
And why is he being taken again?
Falsifying a police report, lying to law enforcement, and reckless driving.
And you guys know all this because
We have video of what happened.
¿Qué
we have a
dice?
video. Dice que está diciendo mentira.
¿Y por qué es mentira?
Dice que ellos tienen video.
Ajá, ¿video de qué?
So what, he blew up the car purposely?
He was doing donuts in the parking lot.
And that made the car blow up?
Yes, ma'am.
Really?
Yes, ma'am.
Wow, because I have a few of those cars and they haven't blown up in Miami.
Well, I have a video of it, so I'm not going to sit here and argue with you about it.
Oh, that's fine. Okay.
All right. Have a wonderful day. Thank you. Reckless. I have a video of him driving like a jackass in the parking lot. He lied to me, and then he is trying to falsify a report.
Oh shit, it's a fraud.
Yep. Hey, so Bryant's just coming to get the car, but they called for their own tow truck, so if I don't happen to see it, nobody else gets the car but Bryant's.
Okay. Hey, what's he doing?
Lying to law enforcement, obstruction, and falsifying a police report. Oh, and reckless. 3 different videos.
Look at all this shit.
Oh, I'm not. I don't doubt that he blew the fucking thing up. When you drive like a jackass, it tends to happen. How are you?
Oh well.
Hey, did the manager show up?
He's on his way.
Okay.
Yeah. He's trying to figure out what happened. I know they were running the car through here, like revving it up, like doing donuts out there.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why when you say I wanted to make sure they weren't being too much anything like.
Yeah, I had. I mean, you can see the black marks and stuff. So, did you guys seen them like doing shit? If I could talk, donuts and you know.
Yeah.
You can hear
I was
they shot
here on
somebody
this.
with it full revved up and come through.
Okay, so they were
I
just
was
driving crazy
there
stuff.
with the bench, and I was talking to the and everything, and then I started hearing pop. I'm like, that's not good and everything, and so I peeked my head around the corner, and the whole bottom of the car was on fire. And so like me and him run over there, and we're like, get out of the car, get out of the car, and they're just like, what's going on? And I'm like, dude, get the fuck out of the car,
Right.
and everything. And they got out of the car, and then like I'm like, I need you to call 911. He says my foot's at 1%. So I run inside, told her to call 911, and then I said I need a fire extinguisher. She says I don't know where one is right now, and everything. I was just like, all right, well, the guy had his fire extinguisher in his semi, and he almost put it out, but then they said they looked under and there was a small fire. I said, I guarantee you.
Yeah.
I guarantee.
Yeah. Well, we certainly appreciate it. When the manager gets here, let me know. I'll be out there somewhere.
The suspect was charged with petty theft, fleeing/eluding officers, existing county warrants, including an unpaid fine-related warrant,